Wanna create UGC videos like this?
Stop everything. What if I told you there's a coffee that helps you burn fat without changing your routine?
Tired of this? Feeling self-conscious about belly fat? Want to remove tanning naturally at home? You only need 3 simple ingredients: aloe vera, honey, and lemon juice.
What if I told you an AI could do it all for you? No camera, no microphone, no editing. Just type your script and your video is ready. That's exactly what HeyGen does. In this video, I will show you how you can create UGC videos by using HeyGen AI in just a few minutes. Whether you are an e-commerce seller needing product videos, a marketer creating ad creatives, or a content creator who makes faceless videos, this lets you do it all without filming, editing, or hiring anyone. So to quickly get started, go through the link in the description, because if you decide to buy HeyGen's paid plan, you will get 22% off on the yearly plan by using that link. And before starting our UGC video tutorial, let me tell you the best thing. HeyGen offers a free plan where you can create 3 videos per month, up to 3 minutes long, and export in 720p, all without needing a credit card. You also get one custom avatar and access to 500 plus stock avatars, AI trust and safety, and standard video processing. Perfect for testing it out before upgrading. Once you log in into HeyGen, the first thing you will need to do is choose an AI avatar. These are realistic AI-generated people who will act as your spokesperson. There are different options based on your profile, and if you want, you can even create a custom avatar that looks like you. But for now, we are making the UGC content. So here you can see the section of UGC, and here you got a lot of UGC avatars. Choose the one which you think looks more realistic. So for now, I am choosing this one. For each avatar, you will get different looks. And for this one, we have the 5 looks. So I am going with this one. Then choose your video format, the landscape or the portrait. So basically, the UGC videos go with portrait format. Instead of recording your voice, you just type your script into HeyGen. The AI will automatically generate a voiceover that sounds natural and professional. If you want the video to feel more personal, you can clone your own voice and let AI speak exactly like you. For now, we are going with the avatar voice. Just paste your script here and then listen to it.
You ever take that first sip of coffee and just, ugh, something's missing? I started using this and wow, total game changer. Now my coffee tastes like a cafe-style drink at home in my PJs. No extra trips, no extra money. If coffee is your love language, trust me, you need this.
And if you don't like this sound, then click here. And here you can get the wide variety of voices in HeyGen's library. So choose the one according to your requirement. HeyGen isn't just about talking avatars. You can add images, text, logos, and background music to make your video look more engaging. The goal is to make it look like a real UGC style video without needing to film anything. Once you have set everything up, just click generate and HeyGen will create your video in just a few minutes. No need to adjust anything, it's ready to go.
You ever take that first sip of coffee and just, ugh, something's missing? I started using this and wow, total game changer. Now my coffee tastes like a cafe-style drink at home in my PJs. No extra trips, no extra money. If coffee is your love language, trust me, you need this.
You can download it and use it anywhere. Social media, ads, product pages, whatever you need. Why use HeyGen for UGC videos? If you don't want to be on camera but still want high quality UGC content, then this is the easiest way to do it. No hiring actors, no expensive media productions, and no time wasted in video editing. Just AI handling everything for you. That's how easy it is to make UGC videos with HeyGen AI. If you want to see a full breakdown of HeyGen's features, pricing, or whether it's worth it or not, then check out my full review video next. If you found this video useful, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, then please drop a comment below.